Sony DSC-W55. So question about the flash. So the flash works on the certain modes that you have. So let me show you how that works. So the modes are here. It's on this wheel. So depending on your mode, if you're on film mode, the flash is not going to work. See, no matter how many times you press it. So here, if we put it on this mode of snow, let's see if it works there. So we're going to hit flash. The flash icon is right here. So you go up, see, the flash is on or auto. Flash on, flash off. See, flash on, flash off. Okay. Now if you go into beach mode, right? Let's see. Yep, works there. Okay. Landscape mode. Let's see the landscape mode. See if it works there. Yep. Okay. Now we go to twilight. Let's see if the flash works there. Nope. See that? It won't let you do it. Twilight portrait. Let's check that one. Nope. Won't let you do it. Now we're going to go into this soft snap. Okay, soft snap once again. Push that, and it looks like the flash does work on that. Flash off, flash auto, or flash on. So you get 3 different modes on that one. Let's go to high ISO. Okay, nope. On ISO mode, it doesn't work. If you go into auto adjustment, let's see. Yep. So it lets you do a couple of different things there. Flash off, flash auto, flash on, flash synchronize. Okay. And then one more. We'll check out the priority. Flash auto, flash on, flash synchro. So there you go. That's the trick to getting the flash to work. So you're going to turn this wheel, and depending on the modes you use, you're going to be able to hit this button here that's got the little flash icon, and you'll be able to turn the flash on or off. Okay, hope you found that useful. It's a nice little camera. I still use it. It takes great video too. Alright, bye.